Hey, welcome back to another video on my channel, guys. Today we are going to be checking out something sent over by CableMod. So in my opinion, I've been actually following CableMod for quite some time, and they have really been making really good cables for a really long time. And a few weeks ago, they contacted me to check out two of their cables right here. So one is the classic Coiled keyboard cable, and of course we have the Pro Coiled keyboard cable. So today we are basically going to unbox it, take a look at them, and see if they're actually worth the price. So a huge thank you to CableMod for sending over these cables. Let's get this video started. So these are the two cables sent over by CableMod, as I said before. So we're basically going to check out the classic Coiled keyboard cable and the Pro Coiled keyboard cable right here. Let me just unbox one of it. So let's start off with the classic one right here. So taking a look around the box, it's really well packaged in this plastic. So it basically just says CableMod. And then you get a preview of the cable right here, the name of the cable. Same thing on the side of the packaging of the box. And on the back we have some wording. So ultimate accessory for your keyboard setups, high quality copper wire cords, door sleeve with mod flex and mod mesh, CableMod Pro Coiled construction, and a luxurious powder coated connectors right here. Really nice. And let's just unbox it. So right on top of the packaging, we get this quality assurance guarantee. So you can pause if you want to read, but basically it says that they go through this checking process and they're really sure that you actually supported them. And if you have any problems, you can contact them on their website. It's a really nice gesture from them. Let's check out what this cable looks like. So I would say packaging wise so far, it's definitely really high quality. And first impressions right here, holding the cable in my hands, it's definitely really nice and really stretchy look. So the coil is really nice, and then this is the colorway I went for. So this is the white colorway. So this is the normal Coiled cable, so it does not have a detachable aviator cable. So it basically goes from this right here. So it is a silver connector, I believe. Yeah, CableMod logo right there, silver type A, and then it basically goes straight to the coil and then comes out on the type C right here. So both of the connectors right here, I believe, are plastic. They feel pretty good, and then they're connected to this Coiled paracord cable, and it's really high quality, honestly. And honestly, I really like what they're doing right here. So this is the cheaper variant. Let's check out the more expensive Pro version with the aviator cable. So this being the Pro version, it comes in two pieces because it has the aviator cable connecting it. So let me just show you guys. Let me take out the straight part first. And then of course you have the coiled part right here. Then you get some of these cable organizers right here. Really nice, with some tape on the back. So for the Pro version, I went with this orange kind of colorway because I think it will really fit my current keyboard, which I'll show you guys in a second. So again, it's the same thing. So it is still plastic on the connectors right here, or I think this is metal actually. And then we can see it is type C, and then it goes to the coil. The coil is really nice, not gonna lie. And then of course we have the aviator right here, which is powder coated, and it feels really solid and doesn't look like it's gonna chip at all. And this right here is the other part, which is the straight part of the cable that goes to the type A. So it feels pretty good, and it is a really nice quality, honestly. And then again, it goes through the aviator cable right here, which is powder coated. Let me just try to show you guys. Really nice, actually. Really liking this. So to connect it, it's really easy. It's like all the other aviator cables. You put it together and then you just tighten it down. And this is how it looks like. So let me just put this on my current setup and show you guys how it looks like. Before I actually show you guys, I want to say that this right here is the normal Coiled version and this is the Pro version. So basically it has the aviator connector right here, which adds a little bit more functionality to your whole build. And I think that these cables really complement your keyboard. So if you're interested, links of course will be down in the description. Honestly, these are one of the best Coiled cables I've handled so far. So now let's put it onto my setup and show you guys how it looks like. So what do you guys think? I think honestly it looks really nice with the orange, and especially with my Kaiju theme build right here. Honestly, it's looking pretty nice. I would say that there is more options on their website, like you can customize the cable to your liking, but they only sent over the Pro and the standard version. So that's all I'm looking at today. Honestly, pretty satisfied with CableMod, and honestly I really recommend them if you're looking for high quality Coiled cables. and they're definitely a go from me. So that was it for this quick video, guys. Honestly, I really like what CableMod is doing, and honestly their stuff are really high quality. So if you're in the market and you want to find a good keyboard cable or any kind of coiled cable to actually fit your setup, do check out their website. Links will be down in the description below. Honestly, I really like this Pro version 1 right here with the aviator cable. It brings so much functionality to it, and I think it really fits your setup. So again, huge thank you to CableMod for sending this over. Check them out, links will be down in the description. So leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more keyboard content like this coming very soon. And as always, thank you for watching. Goodbye, guys.